In his maiden public meeting in Puducherry on Tuesday, which was also his first outdoor meet since the 27th September Karur rally, actor and TVK chief Vijay addressed supporters at Uppalam grounds. The Karur rally had turned tragic with a massive crowd surge leading to multiple deaths and injuries. Vijay's Puducherry event marked his return to public gatherings after that incident. Speaking from his custom-made campaign vehicle, Vijay asked the ruling DMK in Tamil Nadu to learn from what he described as the impartial regime led by Chief Minister N. Rangasamy. He criticized the centre for not paying attention to Puducherry's long-standing demand for statehood and over-allocations of funds. Vijay praised the UT government for being unbiased, noting that it even provided security to a rally of an outfit rival to the party in power, something he said the DMK should learn from. Over 5,000 people, including party workers and fans, attended the rally at Uppalam grounds. In a separate political development, TVK leader K.A. Sengottaiyan's nephew K.K. Selvam joined the AIADMK in the presence of its General Secretary Idappadi K. Palaniswamy. Selvam, who was formerly with the DMK Environmental Wing in Erode North District, joined along with his supporters. His father, K.A. Kaliyappan, is Sengottaiyan's elder brother.